Hello everybody, I am Miss Ong. Today, I'm going to share with you my journal on a nature trail at the southern part of Singapore. I have not really explored the natural areas in the south, so I thought it would be a good idea to start with Labrador Nature Reserve as it has a good dose of history and nature to look into. The Labrador Nature Reserve is a 5 minutes walk from Labrador Park MRT station. On my way towards the nature reserve, a little butterfly brushed my face very lightly and caught my attention. It stayed perched on some vibrant green leaves near the fences to my left. Later, I found online that this butterfly is called Junonia Hidonia ida, also known as chocolate pansy. This butterfly is native to Singapore and has also been spotted in countries such as Malaysia, Indonesia, and Australia. I entered Labrador Nature Reserve from the entrance near Car Park A and was welcomed by these sheltered walkways, which I thought would make a good shelter if it rains. Behind the trees, I had a glimpse of the sea, which made me excited because it has been a while since I have been to a beach. I used my camera to zoom in on the boardwalks along the beach through some openings in the trees. To my surprise, there was a moving object right before me. My squeal of excitement quickly turned into a scream when I realized that the object was a huge spider with extended legs reaching a length much longer than my finger. Warning, not for the faint-hearted. The moving object was a gigantic golden orb web spider. The golden orb web spider gets its name from its web, which appears golden when it reflects sunlight. The back of its abdomen is marked with black and yellowish streaks, and its joints are usually yellow or reddish. It is said that this spider produces silk that is almost as strong as Kevlar, a synthetic fiber that has been used to make bulletproof vests. This is likely a female, as female spiders of this species grow to a body size of 30 to 50 millimeters, whereas a male spider grows to a size of 5 to 6 millimeters. Moving on, there are maps and signboards along the way to give us an indication of where we are. It also gives us directions. I followed the directions to find my way to a 6-inch gun. The 6-inch gun barrel was so huge it was difficult to contain the whole image in my camera lens. With a maximum range of about 10,000 meters, a maximum elevation of 20 degrees, and a traverse of 360 degrees, these guns were formidable anti-ship weapons. I believe the gun barrel played an important role to defend Singapore from pirate ships and enemies from the coast in the 19th century. There are also stylistic engraving of the gun barrel. Apart from the 6-inch gun, there was also a machine gun post which is further down near the coast. I followed the track towards the coast and stumbled upon another entrance to Labrador Nature Reserve. I suppose this entrance, which leads directly to the coast, is near Car Park B and C. As I strolled closer to the sea, I could hear waves clashing against the rocks and smell a faint scent of the salty sea breeze. Almost automatically, I closed my eyes, relaxed my shoulders, and emptied my mind. Along the beach, I saw some large leaves of a tree swaying gently with the wind, reflecting the sunlight of its waxy surface. I figured out the name of this tree with the help of the Google Lens app. This tree is called fish killer tree or sea poison tree. More accurately, Barringtonia asiatica. Barringtonia asiatica is native to mangrove habitats with distributions from Madagascar to Pacific. The name of the tree may be derived from its saponin concentrated seed, a toxic which can be used to stun fishes. It has also been shared that the juice from the seed are used to seal paper umbrellas and to kill lice and other external parasites. Its square-shaped fruits will flower into large pinkish-white pom-pom flowers at night. If you ever come across a heavy sweet fragrance after sunset near a mangrove, it may have come from the flowers of this tree. Barringtonia asiatica has been listed as critically endangered in the Red List of Threatened Plants in Singapore. We ought to be thankful for the many uses and shade from the large leaves of these trees and protect these trees from extinction. At the end of the nature reserve is a machine gun bunker. The machine gun bunker provided protection for the soldiers during the wars. The area within the bunker is said to be hot and cramped. What used to serve as a protection for soldiers is now a popular spot for photo taking. I stumbled upon a lovely sight as I approached the machine gun bunker. A couple appears to be having their wedding shoot around the bunker, while a few children plays at the playground. It was nostalgic to see the aged playground amenities, which we hardly see today in our neighborhoods. A red junglefowl. This bird is considered to be a threatened animal in Singapore. It is listed as endangered in the Red Data Book of Singapore. The male chicken can be identified by a red comb on its head, with white ear patches, a white rump which stands in contrast with its colorful body, and grey feet. These chickens use their feet to search for food such as seeds, fruits, and insects. This cockerel is territorial and has a harem of about 2 to 3 female chickens when I had spotted it. I think this may not be a pure breed of red junglefowl, as it is missing a white puff on its tail and some colors on its body. There is much to see in the nature and history of Singapore, and we all have a part to play in conservation. Even the famous physician Albert Einstein says, "Look deep into nature, and then you will understand everything better." I have come to the end of my sharing. I hope you enjoyed my video. See you next time.